Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum
Saya
warahmatullahi
Nurul Endang
wabarakatuh.
Setiawati
Saya
dari
Nurul Endang
Fakultas
Setiawati,
Keguruan Ilmu
Fakultas Keguruan
Pendidikan
Ilmu
Bahasa
Pendidikan
Inggris
Bahasa Inggris
Universitas
Universitas
Muhammadiyah
Muhammadiyah
Surakarta
Surakarta akan
akan
mempresentasikan
menyampaikan
tentang
Assalamualaikum
pengertian adjective atau kata
warahmatullahi
sifat. Adjective
wabarakatuh.
are words that are
Saya
used to
Nurul
describe
Endang
what kind
Setiawati
of
dari
nouns and
Fakultas
pronouns
Keguruan
and to
Ilmu
quantify
Pendidikan
how much
Bahasa
of
Inggris
and identify which
Universitas
one them.
Muhammadiyah
In a
Surakarta
nutshell,
akan
adjectives are what
menyampaikan
define nouns
tentang
and give
types
them
of adjective
characteristics to
atau
differentiate them
bentuk-bentuk
from
kata
other
sifat.
nouns. Types of adjective. How many types of adjective are there? Ada berapakah macam-macam bentuk adjektif? Sekarang, types of adjective atau macam-macam bentuk adjektif. 1. Adjective of quality. 2. Adjective of quantity. 3. Adjective of number. 4. Demonstrative adjective. Dan 5. Interrogative adjective. Adjective of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind, or adjective of quality show the kind or quality of a person or a thing. The example of adjective of quality is honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, and ugly. New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. Sheila is a beautiful woman. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, adjective of quality mempunyai contoh jujur, luas, cantik, jelek, dan lain-lain. Sedangkan contoh kalimat Sheila adalah gadis yang cantik. Beautiful salah satu bentuk adjective of quality yang menerangkan bahwa Sheila adalah gadis cantik. 2. Adjective of quantity. This adjective help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. The example: she is eating some rice. All, half, many, few, little, no, enough, and great. They have finished most of the rice. Seperti pada gambar di atas, she is eating some rice, yang artinya gadis itu sedang makan nasi. Selanjutnya, adjective of number. This adjective that tells the number of persons, animals, or things we are referring to is called an adjective of number. Contohnya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dan seterusnya. In English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and extract. Pada gambar di atas ditunjukkan 2 ekor kuda yang dalam bahasa Inggris There are 2 horses in the field. Yang artinya ada 2 kuda di lapangan. Contoh dari demonstrative adjective. 1. That scary house, yang menunjukkan bahwa itu adalah rumah hantu. 2. This job, gambar ini menunjukkan pekerjaan seorang pemadam kebakaran. 3. Those birds, gambar ini menunjukkan 2 ekor burung. Dan yang terakhir, this book, ini adalah buku. The last, interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are what, which, whose. Dalam interrogative adjective, biasanya menggunakan kata-kata what, which, dan whose. The last, interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are what, which, whose. Dalam interrogative adjective, biasanya menggunakan kata-kata what, which, dan whose. Contoh dari interrogative adjective. 1. Which cow do you think he will buy? 2. Whose sheep is this? Dan 3. What are these children doing there? Dari ketiga contoh tersebut menggunakan kata-kata which, whose, and what. Itulah 5 bentuk dari adjective atau types of adjective. Dan sekarang waktunya exercise. One. My elder brother is 25. He still feels blah 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 when he sees cockroach. A. Frightened. B. Frightened. C. Frightened. D. Frightener. 2. Mr. Sharma felt very blah 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 when his son failed the final examination. A. More disappointed. B. Disappointed. C. Most disappointed. D. Disappoint. 3. I feel blah 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 on Sundays. A. Relaxed. B. Relaxful. C. Relaxing. D. Relax. Four. Rohan felt blah 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 when his manager shouted at him in front of his juniors. A. Proud. B. Ashamed. C. Honored. D. Shy. 5. He is blah blah blah, so he avoids being photographed. A. Bashful. B. Bold. C. Confident. D. Comfort. 6. It is always blah 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 to seek the advice of your elders in difficult times. A. Beneficial. B. Necessity. C. Useless. D. Unless. 7. We had a blah 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 time at the alumni meet. A. List. B. Cool. C. Great. D. Last. 8. John is very blah 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 about his wedding. A. Excited. B. Interesting. C. Boring. D. Exciting. 9. He doesn't seem blah 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 in your over. A. Interested. B. Interesting. C. Exciting. D. Excited. And number 10. The news of her death blah 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 us. A. Stunning. B. Stunned. C. Stunned. D. Stunner. Itulah 5 bentuk dari adjective atau type of adjective. 1. Adjective of quality. 2. Adjective of quantity. 3. Adjective of number. 4. Demonstrative adjective. Dan 5. Interrogative adjective. Berikut exercisesnya terdiri dari 10 nomor. Selamat mengerjakan. Semoga sukses dan bermanfaat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.